Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about advertising and sales promotion. You all know advertising is one of the important functions of marketing. Every day we are coming across so much of advertisements. Whenever you are watching TV or working on the computer or using your mobile phone, you are frequently disturbed with advertisements. What is advertisements? How do you define advertising? It is defined as any paid form of non-personal communication that is done by the company towards the customers to attract the customers and to provide them knowledge, information about the company's products and services. So advertising is a very, very important function. Even if you are a number one company, if you don't advertise for your products and services, your market share will start declining. Even those companies which were at one time the market leaders started declining and becoming nowhere in the market because they could not do proper advertising. For example, they say even for movies, if you don't promote the movie properly, the movie is going to become a flop. And if you make an average movie also, and if you promote the movie in a good way, or if you advertise the movie very well, then that movie is going to become a hit, even if the story of the movie is average. So advertising is a very, very important function of any business organization. What are the different sources of advertising? How companies advertise? What media they use? One of the most common media that is used by most of the companies to advertise their products and services is television. The advantage of television is that it is considered as one of the cheapest and having a very wide reach. You can reach the entire world through television and you can attract many people. If you advertise during global events like Olympics, World Cup cricket, and football, FIFA, then everybody will watch the products. And overnight, that product becomes a very success for companies if it has been advertised very well during major events of sports and others. The other media that is used for advertising is radio. At one time, radio was very popular, but today many people are not using radios. Next, a newspaper. When we watch a newspaper, most of the pages of the newspaper, we see some type of advertising by the companies. Today, some companies advertising on the first page. They are using the entire first page of the newspaper or the last page of the newspaper or some complimentary copies of the newspaper to advertise their products. Public transport vehicles, when I'm traveling in bus, train, car, auto, aeroplane, etc. I see some type of advertisements in the form of stickers attached to the vehicles. E-commerce has become one of the very, very powerful source of advertising once computers and internet have become very common for the population. One of the industries that is generating maximum online spam is online marketing industry is generating maximum spam. Spam means unwanted data that disturbs you when you are working on a system. So e-commerce has become very popular, and there are companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and so many different types of companies related to education, matrimony, and various aspects. Everything is now available on e-commerce. Today, people are not buying goods by going to the market because they don't have time, they don't have the energy, patience. Okay, instead of that, they are just using their computer with internet, going to the website, ordering the products, and getting received them at their doorstep and paying the amount once they deliver the product to them. Telephone is also another source of advertising. Sometimes we are constantly disturbed by companies like, are you interested in credit card? Are you interested in bank loan? Are you interested in buying a plot? Like that, people use telephone also for advertising the products. Magazines, whether it is sports magazine where sports goods are advertised, or a general magazine, children's magazine, etc. Billboards at public places, electronic billboards. We see um, in railway stations and other places also. Public places. In public places also, lot of advertising is done by the companies. Public places are like buses, railway stations, airports, parks, cinema theaters. Whenever you go to movie to watch a movie, in the beginning also we see some type of advertisement by the company. Next, mobile phone, smartphones especially have become one of the great source for advertising for the companies. Word of mouth means sometimes when I buy a product and if I tell the product is very good to my friends also will buy and they'll tell to other people. Like that, if it keep on spreading, and then that is called word of mouth advertising. It is considered one of the powerful way of advertising, wherein people are not paid for advertising the products. For example, if you join a college and you like the college, you tell everybody this college is very good. So the students of a college will do word of mouth advertising for the college. If the college is very good, they don't have to invest on advertising. One of the old methods of advertising was painting on the walls. Today it is expensive, it is not being done, but in the olden days, when so many different sources of advertising was not there, people used to do painting on walls. The other important function of marketing is sales promotion. It is a form of communication in which the knowledge about the product or service of the firm is given to the customers and potential buyers. Sales promotion means we are initiating a process in which customers will show interest in buying the product or service of the company. How the sales promotions are done by the company. Display of product at public exhibitions. For example, when we go to exhibition, sometimes it is an industrial exhibition where new innovative products that have been developed by the industry are displayed in that exhibition, and people who are there, if they show it is having good features, they buy them. Auto exhibition where all the new models of car are exhibited, and um, the exhibition is a place where all companies come and display their innovative products to the customers and create a market for their products. Another form of sales promotion is free samples. Sometimes customers are given a free sample and they are asked to use the sample. And if they like the sample, then they will buy the product. Generally, doctors are given medicines as free samples. At public places, supermarkets, cinema theaters, they keep a small stall. They give a small amount of the product, example, eatable, to the people. And if they like that, they will buy the product. Gifts. For example, a pen is given as a gift when you buy a product, or a stainless spoon is given as a gift when you buy a product. Like that, different gifts are given based on the product company sell. Providing finance. You are in promoting sale. I don't have money, but I'm interested in buying. So if somebody is providing me finance and making me pay the amount in easy monthly installments, I will buy the product because it doesn't pay me paying every month little amount rather than paying it at one time. So EMI, which is called equated monthly installments, or also easy monthly installments, has become one of the big phenomena because of which poor and middle class people are also buying costly products which they cannot afford to buy by paying at one time. Giving discounts. Sometimes companies give discounts, 10% discount, 20% discount, or by giving extra amounts like buy these 30% extra quantity you will get. So this is also another way of promoting sales. Offers, buy two, get three, buy two, get five. Like that, buy toothpaste and take a toothpaste free. So these are the offers that promote the sales of a company. Some more important topics related to advertising and sales promotion. Brand. What is the meaning of a brand? Actually, every company has a product, and if the product is leading in the market, if many people are buying that product in the market, then it is called a brand. Brand means it is the leader in the market. which is selling more quantity. For example, when I take a name of a product, the name of the company that comes into the minds of more people, that is called brand. For example, when I take noodles, if many people tell Maggie, then Maggie is a brand. If I talk about, say, jam, and many people will tell Kisan Jam, which is a brand. If I talk about a microprocessor, and people tell Intel, it is a brand. Raymond's, Adidas, Xerox, Nestle, these are all brand leaders. Brand ambassador is a person who endorses a product or service of the firm. He advertises for that product or service for which he is paid some amount. These days, most of the celebrities, whether they belong to entertainment like movies or whether they belong to sports field, they are making more money in advertising rather than their own field. Like Virat Kohli is the richest cricketer in India. He is richest because he makes more money by doing lot of advertisements. Similarly, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, etc. These are all called brand ambassadors for the product which they endorse. Thank you, students.